Question number 21. Okay, a positively charged particle moves parallel to a wire that carries a current upwards. Okay, so the current is now carrying upwards like this. So it's carrying the current like this upwards over here. And then what does it say? What is the direction of the magnetic force on the particle? Now there is a particle which is going now like this upwards over here. So this is a current carrying conductor. So as a result of it, when there is a current carrying conductor, let me put on the timer here. Right. Okay, when there is a current carrying conductor like this, now you see the thumb is along the direction of the current and the magnetic field is now like this. Okay, so it is going inward like this and coming outward like that, right? So as a result of it, what do you observe? It's going inward, which means towards my left. If this is my conductor, so where is the magnetic field now? The magnetic field here is going inward like this. It's going inward like this. It's going inward like this and outward there. Now what is the direction of the magnetic force? What force acts on the particle and what is the direction of the magnetic force? Now what do? I use my left hand rule. So what is my left hand rule? FBI rule. What is B? B is the direction of the magnetic field which is acting inward like this. What is the direction of the current? Now here there is no current. Here it is the movement of the charge which is velocity. I can replace it with this way. And force. What is force? Force is now swinging like this. See, this is my swinging one. Okay, you can see this. So this is my swinging one. So therefore the force is now acting like this. Thus the charge will now move towards the left over here. So thus the answer is A over here. Okay.